G'day Skate Champions, welcome to Transition Tuesday Season 2 Episode 14. Mikhail and I have escaped the imminent rain and taken the timber quarter undercover. I'm just going to practice a few little tricks. Today I'm going to do something that I haven't done before, which is a Fakie frontside Smith. I think that's what it's called. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But these are the attempts that I've taken, and during my attempts Mikhail was also trying his half cab rock and then his half cab rock and rolls. The Ambos must know that the quarter pipe's out. Yeah. I actually really struggled with I guess the width of the transition and the roll up that I had, or the distance I had to roll up. It was really playing on my mind a little bit. If I'd under push or over push, it would either drastically affect my confidence with this particular trick. I just overshoot it, and if I was undershooting it, it was just not going to end pretty. But I managed to get one that I was okay with and kept at it a little bit longer. Mikhail got a couple of half cab rocks in there. I then got a second, and then it actually didn't rain, so we moved it down to the side of the house where there's a little bit of a decline where we could just roll and have a bit more time and space to think about what we were trying. And it changed everything. I felt way more comfortable, so did Mikhail, and he started just getting his half cab rocks pretty much straight away. I still had a few of the overshooting with this trick, but then yeah, I started to think a bit more of a Fakie 5-0, frontside 5-0, and it sort of picked up the wheels a little bit more, and then I was able to sort of lock in a lot better, and yeah, it just started to sort of click really well. Pretty happy with this one. Mikhail actually had a couple of cheeky attempts and got some pretty what would you say? And Mikhail got a couple of sneaky sort of close attempts, and I think he's probably, yeah, he might actually keep at this particular trick because he's pretty close. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Like I said, I'm not sure if this is the name of the trick because I don't know if the feeble or the Smith work in this manner when you're going Fakie. Please let me know. But I'm pretty happy with that for today. Remember to keep skating, keep having fun, and of course, keep progressing. I'll see you legends next week. Cheers.
It's so good, man. Just be able to come here and have a...
So this is doing pretty well. Like, that's actually holding up. Like, I think it's because we're going downhill, and maybe I put it into the grass a little bit, and it's sort of poking up a little bit. Yeah. But that didn't cause any issues.
Fine.
So
I couldn't feel it at all, man.
That's pretty good. It does kind of maybe put some supports in the center.
Yeah. I think even for your 50-50s that you want to do, like I do notice when you come up here, see how that sinks down?
Yeah.
So it's like with all your actual weight on that, it's like it's like a curved piece of wood like this, you're not going to be able to go along it.
No.
It's just not going to happen.
It's a good day.
Yeah, man.
Good effort today, man.
Yeah,
That was really good.
Yeah, excellent. Great work from you.
Woo.
Got a new one.